Hello, I'm Clint Mailahn of Mailahn Innovation, here to demonstrate how the aluminum handrail operates on top of the post here. First of all, I'm going to take a tape measurement and I'm going to go 1.5 inches past the top here, and that's 36 and a half. Conveniently, we already have the marked and taped. You want to tape this so then it doesn't scratch it when you set it down. Also, we put tape on our saw, and this blade is just a standard blade you'd cut wood with, nothing special. Put it on there, and this is aluminum, so it cuts like a pop can. Take this off. If you have some metal shavings in here, you can use a knife to cut it, kind of shimmer it off there. Now we've got an end cap that'll go in this side, like so. And then on this side, we've got a joiner. And we'll slide it right up, there's a mark right here. And then, okay, we'll slide this on. Make sure everything looks nice and even. We'll zip a screw on this side over here first. Just like so. Once we do both sides, it'll level it out. And we're going to put one in over here. As you can see, roll it back this way. I believe our post is just a little out of level, plumb. And you can just go around and put all your screws in here, here, and back over here. But that's Mailahn Innovation aluminum handrail. Easy to cut, easy to screw on there. So thank you very much.